Hello Twitter users, welcome back to another video from HowLogic, where we bring you latest tips and tricks to elevate your digital experience. If you are new to the world of Twitter and can't find the button to view comments in Twitter, then this video is for you. Follow this guide and watch till the very end. Let's begin by opening the Twitter app. If you haven't logged in, then log in with your Gmail. For now, let's view comment on this tweet made by Penny2X. As you can see, there are 903 comments, but if I click on this comment icon, it will lead me to a reply section, which is not what I want. So to view the comment, all I have to do is head towards the top of the tweet and then click on the text. As you click on the body of this tweet, you'll be able to see the comments made by different people in this particular tweet. So this is how you can view comments in the Twitter app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found the content informative, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.